Yo, yo, my men and my women, don't forget about the dean. This is not the most the king. Yo, it's about a thing. Yo, feel real good with your hands in the air and lit 2 shots in the atmosphere. Since you been looking for your friend, the one you let hit it and never called you again. Remember when he told you he was about to Benjamins? You act like you ain't him, they give him a little trim to begin. How you think you really gon' pretend like you wasn't down and you called him again? Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably can. Talking out your neck saying you're a Christian, a Muslim, sleeping with the gin. Now that was the sin that did Jezebel in. Who you gon' tell when the repercussions spin? Showing off your ass cause you thinking it's a trend, girlfriend. Let me break it down for you again. You know I only say it cause I'm truly genuine. Don't be a hard rock when you really are a gem, baby girl. Respect is just the minimum. Nigga, you still defending them now. Lauren is only human. Don't think I haven't been through the same predicament. Let it sit inside your head like a million women in Philly pen. It's silly when girls sell their souls because it's sin. Look at where you be in. Hair weaves like Europeans. Fake nails done by Koreans. Come again.
Yes, I did. To just go down and check out the show. Yeah, they were dancing and singing and moving to the grooving. And just when it hit me, somebody turned around and shouted, "Play that funky music, white boy. Play that funky music right. Play that funky music, white boy. Lay down the boogie.
Que me ayudes a enseñar mis cicatrices, que me agarres con más fuerza al corazón, que me digas que aunque todo sea difícil, en los charcos saltaremos tú y yo. En los charcos saltaremos tú y yo. Me arranques las entrañas y me mires más adentro donde solo vivo yo. Que me saques esos miedos y los tires a los charcos y pisarlos tú y yo. Y en los charcos saltaremos tú y yo.